Hello and welcome to my beginner OpenShot tutorial. I prepared some short video files, a music file and a watermark image, and we're gonna make a little video out of them. Before we add the files, let's make sure we have the right profile. I'm gonna use the standard resolution HD 720p 30 fps one. You can pick any other. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I think this is a good start. Now I'm just going to drag the files I want to use in this project. And because I have a bit too many tracks, I'm just going to remove some of them. Yeah, I think 3 is good. Let's make a little bit more space. And we are going to start with the signing video. We can zoom in with this slide bar or with the control button and scroll wheel of our mouse. And we can always play back our track using space. And also pause it. So now I'm gonna add another video right behind it. And now I can't zoom any further, but I want to split this video right before the people start clapping. But to do that, we're actually going to have to do something else. We're going to have to copy it, copy the clip, paste it somewhere else, put it on top of the other clip, and we're going to have to move this one, the left edge to the right. And whoops, and here we're gonna have to move the right edge to the left. And then I want this to appear in between them, and then I want it to continue. And we can actually drag it on top of each other to create crossfades. Let's see what it looks like. Unfortunately, my computer is quite slow. Okay, so this is a weird issue with the audio playing strangely, but hopefully that will be resolved. Alright, now I would like to add a watermark. So I'm just gonna drag the image, which I already prepared, and I'm going to stretch it to the length of the whole video. And there we go. Let's give our clips some more space. If we right-click them, we can go to Properties, where we can do things like disable the audio, for example. And now that we remove the audio, I would like to replace it by dragging a music clip to another track, and I want to shorten it so it fits the video clips. So now let's just try to export it. I'm going to press the export button. I'm going to call it OpenShot test. And we want VH264 encoder. We want 720p 30 fps, high quality. And let's just stick with the defaults and export. Now that the exported video is ready, let's take a look. Alright, even though there were some issues in the interface with the audio not stopping, it seems to work in the end product. Unfortunately, it's a bit hard to get the exact lengths of clips, but if you really need to be exact, you can always go to Properties and set the end value, for example. In this case, we would have to calculate them exactly, though, so that we can coordinate all 3 tracks exactly, since the zoom level is limited. There are also other transition effects and video effects you can use. Quite a lot of the transitions, actually. And there are some very cool features like animated titles, which get rendered in Blender for you. Unfortunately, the previews don't work for me, but when I try to render them, they actually do work. So this is quite cool. As a bonus, let's take a look at the bright color theme of OpenShot. Here it is. The timeline stays dark, but the rest of the UI is bright. So I hope this tutorial helps you getting started. Please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and see you in the next video. Ciao!